Okay, let's go guys. Let's do the pollination. I'll show you how. Ito po yung lalaking, this is the, yung lalaking bulaklak ng upo. Tanggalan po lang natin siya. Then, tanggalin po. And then, the powder. Let's lagay dito. Yun lang po. Ganun lang, ka-easy. Another one. And that's fine. Here, let's do another one. Hindi naman po kailangan. Kailangan lang pong, sorry po, na ano yung, wala akong stand eh. Ganun lang po ang dapat gawin para mag-continue po yung bunga ng ating upo o kaya kalabasa. Pag nagustuhan nyo, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for my channel. Thank you everyone and have a good day.